What's up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we are out on a pre-run for the Great American Crawl. This is some footage nobody got to see because we were just doing some pre-running, but we thought you might be interested. Enjoy the wheeling and the carnage. It was quite a day.
I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots. You are not as tough as that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon that's sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots. You were not as tough. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots. You were not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots. You were not as tough as me.
Yeah, you're climbing, you're gonna spread them apart. Right here, that's why you go with a PSC big bore steering gearbox, because this sector shaft is the weakest thing on the JK steering. This right here is pretty much catastrophic failure. It's gonna be a heck of a day getting him out of here. You got some ratchet straps.
I just don't think that's gonna help.
straps.
You guys just finished pre-running. I'll get somebody out here to help me out.
What, I don't even know if we
That is what I call a forced upgrade, though.
It is.
Well, it's something I've been looking at.
Is it sitting in the shopping cart already?
No, I've been wanting to call them. Because I don't want to go hydro assist, but I want it to be ready.
Gotcha.
Because I'm going to be changing the axles. Because you can only run on Dana 44 so long in 40s.
Very true.
Well,
Very true.
Ticking time bomb.
dang.
My steering was off every time we went out.
Yeah, every time he's gone out and come back, we've had to readjust his steering, and we've fought and tried to find what was going on, tried to find it.
Yeah, it was just twisting.
I think his end on this end was a little loose. We cranked it down the other day and tightened it up. That was probably the slop that was keeping you from braking.
Just that give.
Yeah, that little bit of give in the other end of his drag link. Now that we tightened it up, it probably just forced it to pop.
Yeah.
looks like.
Oh man, that sucks.
Yes, it does.
It looks like right here it's been cracked for a minute.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's. When you came up off that, when you hit the rock, you were going a little fast, but I mean it just shattered, dude.
I wish we would have got it on video of it shattering. Because
know,
you don't
sorry.
catch that on film very often, ever. Like you never catch, because all it takes is one little tap on a rock, and it just sends that thing. It was the loudest bang.
Yeah.
It was. Okay, well, what do we do from here?
I'm gonna call somebody else with bigger rigs to come help me out.
Well, we'll continue pre-running down, because the exit is about 150 yards right over there.
Oh, no kidding. Okay.
Hey, Gil, is that the spot where I bypassed and hit the tree? Yes, sir. I got a saw right here.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
Corridor ever went through here before?
Do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't lose it, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. New friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find the passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. Try to keep it on you down. And I swear I won't give back up, cause I don't deserve a thing, and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're chance to be ruthless.
What's wrong? What is it?
It just died.
Oh, that's what happened to Scrappy, and it didn't start for a year.
Yeah, it just froze up and died. Yeah. Sounds horrible.
Nothing?
That was weird.
Well, a bunch of dirt just flew out of it. How old?
Just died, man. And then it wouldn't fire. He said he saw a tiny puff of smoke.
Yeah, it's smoking a little bit.
Does it smell like electricity?
No,
See if I tell you.
I don't smell any electra.
That's weird.
And I had it idling, and it died.
Sounds fine now.
That was super weird, man. I come up over this and it just died. I got in it. Click, click. So what actually was happening right here was my power steering reservoir, which was stock, had a filter in it that I didn't know about, and that filter had plugged up, and it actually caused my power steering pump to seize. And the reason I found this was because when I emptied out the system and finally went to a good PSC, when I dumped out my reservoir, there was a whole bunch of ATF, which hasn't been in my system for years, because I went to a big bore steering gearbox from PSC years ago and swapped over to their Swepco hydraulic fluid, which is clear. So for me to dump out that ATF and gunk, that tells me that there was a plug up in my system in that reservoir, which caused catastrophic failure in my pump and led me to get the entire PSC Hydro Assist setup.
Both of us have screwed up our steering.
I've never seen two rigs break.
I know, right?
Back.
Two rigs broke.
One time we didn't even get about where Dexter is, and it was like 3 major breakdowns right
Oh, that
there. And that was the
stinks.
end of the day.
Yeah.
After we got people buttoned together, it
And
was
that's
time to go home.
the story of pig iron says it has something. Karma. We don't need karma.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a climb. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find the passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. You're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding when you're losing. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Got no traction on this back tire.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray.
So right here, I just let him have a little fun and try a few different lines he wanted to, eventually giving him a spot on what I thought looked like a pretty good line for his Jeep.
off.
Don't deserve a thing, and the road ahead is
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Good job. Good job spotting.
What happens when you don't upgrade to full PSC? This is what's happening. When I let go of that wheel, that thing just wants, look at that. Oh my God, it's so violent. So what is happening here is my power steering pump took a crap. Steering's a little loose. Alignment's off too. It actually killed my rig and put a puff of smoke out. So when I fired it back up, I'm like, okay, that was weird. Started moving forward, and I'm like, wow, the locker's got me really in a bind. Nope, no power steering whatsoever. You want to hear the worst part? One of my crew members just detonated a sector shaft. Why? Because he didn't have a PSC steering gear box. So, what should that tell everybody? If you're running 37s, you need a PSC steering gear box. That box is going to give you a beefier sector shaft so you won't shatter it. And if you're doing anything over 37s, you need to upgrade your pump so you don't have this issue. My pump has actually just been starting to whine a little bit, and I was like, huh, it quit whining. Cool. Yeah, no, not cool. 40s take out the pump. They take out the box, the sector shaft. All Dexter did was tap a rock, and he took out his sector shaft. It shattered. We'll insert the picture here. We didn't actually get to catch it on video, but it was interesting. So here's the moral to the story. PSC for the win, guys. Just bite the bullet and upgrade your system, man. Go hydraulic assist. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's fun. 40-inch tires, 12 PSI. Not fun turning.